Now we're going to install the serpentine belt tensioner pulley. That's a spring-loaded guy there. It's keyed onto the bracket. There again, they give you the right bolts there with the kit. Installed correctly, that guy will keep the belt tight, the serpentine belt tight on all the pulleys at the same time. So he's threading in that center bolt there. And I think they put this Torx style fastener on there, so you're not, the basic guy changing belts isn't tempted to undo that. So they use a Torx style. They make it so it's inside there, so it's obvious that you know, doesn't normally get taken off. If you look at the marks there, that is an indicator of wear on your spring and your belt. As long as it's in between the extreme marks there, your spring is good and your belt is the right length.